For the past 7 years, I've been teaching photography workshops at the National Park Service, and now you have the opportunity to learn how to get better photos during a 10-day retreat in Ireland next year. Why Ireland? Well, because of its spectacular landscapes, its historic architecture, including castles, its charming towns, and its down-to-earth people. So whether you bring a smartphone or a professional camera, I'll show you how to see like an artist, tips and tricks for more creative images, and a whole lot more without getting bogged down on ISOs, f-stops, shutter speeds, and other technical roadblocks. The retreat costs a little over $2,600 and includes hotel, local transportation, and several complimentary meals. But you need not pay it all at once. Now until September 6, 2024, you can reserve your spot with a $99 deposit. For details, visit my website, www.xiomaro.com.